Stretch on an open request line on K. Oakland in Burke Burnett, Texas.
What kind of name is Stretch?
No.
Red River Rock and Roll request line, this is Stretch.
Hey, check it out, dude. Let's play a little chicken with the farmer here.
That was great! That was great! You got that, babe? All right!
Yeah, later, sports. Just hang up, okay?
Goes down and the moon comes up.
K. Oakland Red River Rock and Roll request.
It is Stretch. It's the buzz again. Back up, big fucker!
Hurry up! Get out of here!
They gotta hang up.
Hurry up! What the fuck?
Like a buzzsaw.
Hang up, 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 hang up.
Lieutenant Enright, sir. We heard you might be headed this way. You come over for the big game?
You know why I'm here.
Yes, there's something about chainsaw killers, your brother's kids killed. But that was 14 years ago, sir, way down in South Texas. All right, Lieutenant Enright, what's your deal?
Put it in the press. Get it in the news. Any information about this accident. And maybe some witnesses.
You need a witness? I'm a witness. You can listen, it's here on tape. I came here because I thought I could help you. I DJ this dumb show on K. Oakland up in Burke Burnett, but people listen to me all across North Texas. Now I could put you on the radio, get people to believe you, get you some help.
Well, I don't need anybody to stand with me, all right?
You can't do it alone.
Now be sure to watch your drinking and driving on this wild and Texas.
I'd like you to play that tape, Missy.
Come all the way up here to Burke Burnett? No shit.
Number one, the Sawyers are number one. Number.
So here's a special request we're doing this afternoon and tonight. You steady listeners know we're playing this every hour. This is for Lefty.
What station? This ain't no joke, boy. Tune into that.
Includes the broadcast day for K. Oakland in Burke Burnett, Texas. Red River Rock and Roll. Lefty?
Good night.
Hey, what's in here?
Record vault.
Oh, where you keep the golden oldies and maybe the new music.
What the shit?
Hey, lick my plate, you dog dick! Help me get it out of here.
Damn it, Lefty.